Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet quickly and securely. If you're new to crypto or just want to make sure you're doing it right, stay tuned and follow along step by step. First, make sure you have both the Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone. If you haven't set up your Coinbase Wallet yet, download the app and follow the instructions to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to securely store your recovery phrase, as this is the key to accessing your funds. Now, open the Coinbase app and sign in. Once you're in, go to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap on it, and then look for the send button. This will open the transfer screen where you can enter the amount you want to send. Next, open your Coinbase Wallet app. Tap on receive and select the same cryptocurrency you're sending from Coinbase. You'll see your wallet address and a QR code. You can either copy the wallet address manually or use the QR code for quick scanning. Go back to the Coinbase app and paste the wallet address into the recipient field. Double check that the address is correct because crypto transactions cannot be reversed once sent. After that, review the transaction details, including the network fees. Once you're sure everything looks good, tap send to complete the transfer. Depending on the network congestion, the transfer might take a few minutes to process. You can check the transaction status in both the Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app. Once the funds arrive in your wallet, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.